Good morning, everyone. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Renuka. My father name is Sopanna. He is a car driver. My mother name is a Chandrama. She is a homemaker. I have two brothers. I have completed BA. I am from Shabad. That's all about myself. Thank you. Today topic is Indian festival. India is a called the country of festival. Festival in India celebrate the unity in dignity of the country. All festivals India have their own speciality in signification. We are respect all festivals in India. There is a big list of the religious festivals that we are celebrated in India. There are many different types of festival celebrated in India. Festival plays very important role in our life. Some of the main religious festivals that we are celebrated in India are Diwali, Eid ul Fitr, Christmas, Guru Nanak Jayanti, Holi, Dasara, Janmashtami, Ram Navami, etc. India has three national festivals are there. One of the Independence Day, second one Republic Day, third one Gandhi Jayanti. Today I tell you Independence Day. Independence Day. Independence Day is the national festival. India means independent national democratic intelligence area. It is celebrated because of India got independence on 15th August 1947 from the British rules. The Prime Minister of the India hosts the national flag and address the nation from the Red Fort in Delhi. Flag hosting and all saying our national anthem, that is Jana Gana Mana, written by Rabindranath Tagore. It is the day of when we pay for tribute to the freedom fighters. Hindus, Muslims, Christians and Sikhs must be celebrated that together. It is also national holiday. It took sacrifice of lives many freedom fighters and survival of the struggle from 1857 to 1947. An Indian soldier Mangal Pandey in the British force and had first resided his voice against British rules. We can never forget some sacrifices of the Bhagat Singh, Kaudi Ram Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad, who have lost their lives in their earlier age of the fighting the country. How can we ignore the all struggle of the Netaji and Gandhiji? Some of the great freedom fighters of India, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhiji, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Lal Lajpat Rai, we are fighters of the Indian fighters. India is our mother country. We can or it is citizens. We should always be ready to save from it the bad peoples. It is our responsibility to lead our country ahead to make it the best country of the world. We have all rights of the choose government of enjoy. It is the largest democracy in the world. Our country is the developing very fast in the field of the technology, education, sports, finance and economic, etc. Thank you.